Hello mga motorista! Welcome na naman sa isang Motorista Adventures na video. For this episode, andito tayo sa Kia Bacoor and today, let's do a walk-around review sa ating Kia Seltos SX. So itong color na to is napakaganda, no? This is one of the unique colors for the 2024 model year. And yeah, let's go do a walk-around, the specs, features, and pricing. Now, when it comes to the pricing, sasabihin ko na 1,688,000 sa ating SX model, which is their top of the line ng Seltos lineup. So, tara, samahan niyo ako. Simulan natin sa ating exterior. At ayan na nga mga motorista yung ating Kia Seltos, no? So, really nice color yung ating top of the line model. So, meron silang white pearl version nito. This version though, yung color niya is phantom blue. So, it doesn't quite look blue. In some angles, para siyang medyo may pagka greenish ng onte. So, that's the thing, no? So, again, exclusive to sa SX na model. Now, let's take a look at the headlights, no? Yung headlight natin, of course, yung shape niya is very familiar as before sa ating pre-updated Seltos. So this is a major facelift, no? Outside and also inside the Seltos. So simulan natin sa ating headlight. So now you get this LEDs dito sa taas, no? So these are tri-LEDs. And then yung ating DRLs, no, is going across the front grille. And then, sa ilalim naman natin is yung ating mga turn signal lights. Unfortunately, the turn signal lights is not LED. It's a bulb type, but of course, it is upgradable, di ba? Dito sa ilalim naman, you got LED fog lights na. Hindi na siya yung circular na mga fog lights as before. You can also see na meron tayong radar sensors din sa ilalim ng ating Seltos, and you have that silver finish right down below. Okay. Now, you can also clearly see the radiator and yung ating turbo intercooler. Yung turbo intercooler niya is on the side, naka-vertical siya, and then yung ating radiator is right up front. And meron na tayong Kia logo here. Of course, ito na yung bagong logo ni Kia. So, hindi na yung lumang logo. So, when it comes to the wheels and the tires, so wheels natin is really nice yung design, very modern. So, black with a silver finish on the side. Very unique in the segment as well, and kita nyo naman yung ating tires is Nexen na N-Pries CX 215/60 R17. We have ventilated disc brake. Suspension is McPherson struts dito sa harapan. See yung ating side mirrors with LEDs. Wala tayong camera, no 360 camera for the Kia Seltos lineup, and meron tayong black plastic cladding as with any crossover nowadays. So, kita din natin na smart entry feature na siya. Roof rail dito. You have fin-type antenna there. And really nice, no? So, when it comes to the updates sa ating Seltos, maganda pa din siyang tignan. So, very modern design. And dito naman sa side, disc brakes tayo here with a torsion beam setup sa likuran. Now, when it comes to the rear part of the Seltos, a lot has changed also dito. So, kita nyo naman, naka-L shape na tayo ng mga taillights. So, LEDs comes across, no? Dito talaga sa tailgate natin. You have the Kia badge and ayan, turn signal lights, brake light, LED except for the turn signal lights, no? So, reverse light natin andun sa ilalim na part. High mount stoplight here, and you have your fin-type antenna again. You can see your exhaust, and ayan yung ating suspension dito sa ilalim. Okay? So, for the SX model, hindi siya power tailgate. And dito sa ating ilalim, you can see, hindi siya same ng rim sa nakalagay dun sa ating wheels itself. Meron tayong incandescent na cargo light, diba? So, ayan yung ating interior. So, black sa ilalim na part, And then taas natin, ayan, kita niyo yung panoramic sunroof, which is standard feature dito sa ating SX model. Okay? Yan. So, ito yung likuran ng ating Kia Seltos na SX model. Dito tayo sa second row. Let's take a look at the space here. So, you have your armrest, leather siya, you have new leather seats dito sa ating SX model. Your air vents, Type-C port, which is a very welcome change. And maliit lang yung ating humps, so no problem for the center passenger. Space, very good space dito, especially with the sunroof, no, napakaliwalas na. And I really like this grill sa ating speaker, really funky looking. Yan, mga lalagyan. And the other yung ating armrest, and ito yung ating door openers. Right. So sarado natin yung ating armrest, and naka-isofix tayo dito sa ating upuan. And hindi adjustable na yung ating mga upuan sa ating Seltos. So, tignan natin kung we can adjust. Yan. So, 2-level yung ating rear seats. So, pwede mo siyang i-adjust, no? So, meron siyang more upright and a more relaxed position. So, before we go inside sa ating Seltos, papakita ko muna, you can see your controls, no? Automatic up and down for the driver, manual toggles na for the passenger. You can fold your side mirrors here, and leather yung ating yung armrest. And meron tayong tweeter dito nakalagay sa door, and also yung speaker natin here. I really like the design, of course. It's very modern yung kanyang forma. So yung fuel cap natin, dito siya bubuksan. Okay, para doon. And electric seats tayo dito, no, or electric powered seats. So meron tayong height adjustment. Okay, yan. Recline. So, yan lang. Wala tayong lumbar adjustment sa ating Seltos. Now, dito naman mga motorista, no, kita din natin na, ayan. So, adjustment sa headlight, traction control button. And, the major change here is yung cockpit natin, no. Mas modern na siya, of course. Ibang-iba na siya than before. Parang separate yung mga gauge at infotainment system now. It's just one big screen. So I think meron naman tong divider, pero they hidden it well para seamless siyang tignan. Also yung steering wheel natin, you can clearly see na leather siya. Not the most premium leather out there when it comes to steering wheel material, but it's okay na. And you have your big circular na horn button and airbag dito. Okay? And kita din natin mga motorista yung controls natin. You have voice command mode, volume up and down. Next, call button. You have your star icon here for pay favorites. And then dito, you have cruise control, page button, adaptive cruise na adjustment, and lane departure alert na mga button for if you want to turn it on or turn it off. Now, turn on natin si Seltos. So, ayan mga motorista yung ating infotainment system ng Kia Seltos. As you can see, fully digital screen siya. Unfortunately, hindi natin ma-adjust no yung brightness dito. But ayan, kita nyo naman na it's a full color display, and the display itself is quite good. Not 1080p level, pero almost there, 720p resolution na siguro to na screen. So you have your speedometer and a highly customizable to na screen mga motorista na yan. Pwede mo siyang i-rev counter sa kabila, yung ating mga cruise settings, and also yung in-trip information. Ayan, you can see it, no? And you can toggle all of that using this switch here. You have range. Dito sa side, you have gear position indicator, your check engine light here, you have your permanent speedometer. I'm not sure if you want to change the mode, mag-iiba din siya. But anyway, you can clearly see it. And for the infotainment system, napakaganda ng infotainment system ngayon. Very simple, very intuitive na infotainment system from Kia. Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, of course. Siguradong wireless na to. And ito yung ating reverse camera here, which is really cool. I think in other countries, baka meron tong 360 camera. It's really nice that you can press a button and view your reverse camera, no? Anyway, meron tayong quiet mode. So, mga ano natin, mga built-in na mga feature dito sa infotainment system. Climate control, you can also adjust it here. Ayan, radio, phone, navigation, and yung ating wallpaper yan. Okay? And then, sa ilalim na part, you can see your vents, hazard button. You can lock the door or unlock the door. Diba? And then, again, this is also new, which is dito na part yung ating AC controls. AC controls natin is very nice, no? I really like yung mga manufacturer, especially from Kia, na they're not going with the all screen na mga buttons. I think this is way nicer na meron tayong manual buttons. Sana circular na lang tong volume knob, but nagninitpick na lang ako dito. Pero I really like this one na meron tayong physical buttons for your AC and other controls sa ating dash. Okay? So, these buttons also here, it's not really buttons. No? These are touch-sensitive. Buksan natin to and meron tayong USB port. Unfortunately, hindi siya Type-C. Wireless charger meron. 12-volt outlet. And really also nice is yung ating gear position indicator. What's really nice as well is very futuristic yung ating gear knob. So another thing is yung ating shifter is really nice, no? Very futuristic. So PRND. I'm not so sure if you can do manual mode with the Seltos, but anyway, you have your electronic parking brake, your auto hold, and you have ventilated seats, which is quite nice, no, in this weather, no, dito sa ating which is really nice yung mga ganto sa weather dito sa Pilipinas. Yan, you can clearly see na pwede natin isarado, buksan yung ating mga bottle holders dito and cup holders as well. So yung isa lang is maliit, dito sa kabila medyo mas malaki siya. So opening this up, you have Type-C port here, which is quite good. So I'm not so sure if once you plug in your phone, it will also enable CarPlay. Pero again, it's nice that we have that here. Medyo limited lang yung space dito sa center natin na cover. And sa center natin na armrest. Leather pala siya. So dito is very decent naman yung ating compartment. And material quality, no, there are some parts na material quality not as contrasty or not as impressive, especially this part. But again, everything makes up, no, but yung kagandahan lang nitong bagong Seltos talaga is yung ating screen here. I think it's the best feature, no, in my opinion. And you have your almost frameless na rear view mirror here. Unfortunately, manual lang na siya na adjustment. Panoramic roof is also here. If you like cars with panoramic roof, this is one of your options. And kita nyo naman yung ating vanity mirror there. Dito din, merong vanity mirror. Mga motorista, yung engine ng ating SX is quite nice, no? You have the 1.4 liter inline turbocharged gasoline direct injection. So this engine is 1.353 cc. So it's most likely a 1.4 liter engine. And this 1.4 liter makes about a good 140 PS of max power. But that's not the main thing that you want of a turbocharged engine. The torque is what matters now. So 242, which is quite good in this small subcompact crossover. So 242 Newton meters at 1,500 Newton meters. So of course, siguradong pepito off the line si Seltos, diba? So ayan yung ating engine, no? So this engine is only found on the top of the line. So if you go for the non-top of the line model, which is this one, the EX variant, mamaya video din natin yan on our next episode. But for the Kia Seltos na SX, you have this more powerful engine. So taking a look at the engine, no? So yan, yung ating alternator is here, yung ating coolant is here, yung intake part natin ng ating engine is dito sa harap, and yung exhaust part andun sa likuran na part. So ito yung battery din natin, yung ating brake master, and then dyan ka magre-refill ng ating brake fluid. So, ayan yung engine bay sa ating Seltos for 2024 top-of-the-line model. Overall, yung ating Kia Seltos na top-of-the-line SX is quite nice na dito sa loob. Very modern, I wouldn't say luxurious, pero very modern siya. All the advanced driver aids is also here, except for rain sensing wipers. I don't think it has rain sensing wipers, no, intermittent lang siya. But yeah, the seats are comfortable. They are, of course, leather and of course ventilated, which is quite nice. So ayan mga motorista, yung interior na ating Kia Seltos for the 2024 model year. So hopefully matest drive din natin to very soon. Of course, may nakalimutan ako. Ayan. So meron pa tayong drive mode selector here mga motorista, no? Which I also think will alter the screen dito. So ayan yung ating toggle. So you have comfort, smart, sport, and eco. So info display lang siya unless you change it dito sa kabilang side. Ayan. And then the gauge will display, no, or yung theme niya will change. Of course, it will alter the response of throttle and also your gearing to make it more sporty if you want. Diba? So ayan siya mga motorista, no. By the way, yung ating reverse camera is pretty standard, not high definition. Sana 360 na lang to, diba? But that's what we get dito sa ating SX model, no. So ayan mga motorista, price at 1,688,000 pesos yung ating Kia Seltos for the SX model. In my opinion, I think it's quite good na din, but again, there are very stiff competition when it comes to this segment. Chinese manufacturers now upping the game, cheaper, but again, more rich when it comes to the feature set. But with this 2024 update, hindi na huli talaga si Seltos kasi talagang wala na to sa sa shortlist kung kukuha ka ng mga subcompact na mga SUV because hindi na nila in-update. So now with this update, it's a more compelling reason to check out the Seltos and maybe decide, no, kung ito ba talaga yung gusto niyo. Okay? So ayan mga motorista, yung ating Kia Seltos. Let me know down sa ating comments what you think of this subcompact crossover. So maraming salamat mga motorista. Once again, if you like this video, thumbs up, follow Facebook page, and once again, this is Adrian Motorista Adventures, and I'll see you on the next episode. Bye-bye.